Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Capacity.
What does the dictionary say?
The maximum amount or number that can be received or contained. Cubic contents. Volume.
Math rap.
Capacity, it must be told, is the amount that something can hold. Often volume is the feature, measured in gallons or in liters. Capacity, it must be told, is the amount that something can hold. Often volume is the feature, measured in gallons or in liters.
Math rap.
One city I've had my full of? Capacity. Explain capacity in your own words. What is the capacity of a 3-gallon bucket? If you have a water bottle with you, what's its capacity? What is the capacity of your own 2 hands? How much can you hold? Can you hold more sand, water, or golf balls in your hands? Why? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!